Hi all, Archana here. Welcome back. So I'm here again today with another story. As I told you during this lockdown, I'm getting enough time to read a lot more. So I'm here again with another story. This story is going to get really interesting to you guys. But let me tell you all one thing. Please do not skip the video. If you skip the video, you will not understand the whole story. And when I try to explain the moral of the story, you will not able to understand what I'm exactly trying to convey to you. So let me start with the story now. So now Mr. A and Mr. B, there are two persons. These two persons will go to their owner. So his owner will appoint them a job to go to the forest and cut at least 10 trees per day. So both Mr. A and Mr. B are appointed to go to the forest to cut down the trees. So here what happens, Mr. A, the very first day, day one when they go, Mr. A cuts for about 10 trees and Mr. B again cuts about 9 trees. Okay. Then day 2. When you go to day 2, Mr. A is again able to match it up with the same figure. He is at least able to cut about 9 trees. Mr. B will again end up less than Mr. A, that is for about 8 trees. So day 3, Mr. A again will cut about 8 trees or 9 trees and Mr. B will end up with again 8 trees. So like this for about 3-4 days they go, but then Mr. B is not able to cut as many trees. That means he is not able to match of cutting down the trees where compared to A. So again day 5. So Mr. B thinks Mr. A is able to cut about 9 trees at least, but why am I not able to match with his figures? So he comes early than Mr. A. So he will start cutting the trees. He comes morning at 7 o'clock. He start cutting the trees. When he start cutting the trees, he will sweat a lot. He will not even have food because he wants to match the same figures like of Mr. A. So he will do much of hard work. He will sweat a lot. He will not even have food. But then again at the end of the day, we see Mr. A will again come at 9 o'clock and go at 5 o'clock. But then Mr. B, without having even break, without even taking break, without even having lunch, he sweats a lot. Still, he is not able to. He will come in the morning at 7 and try to go back after 6. Still, he is not able to match the same figures of Mr. A. Then again the same thing happens the next day of day 6. Mr. B comes early in the morning to cut down the trees, but he is not able to match with Mr. A. The number of trees cut by Mr. A will be about 8, but then the number of trees cut by Mr. B is only about 6. So he will be thinking, I am coming every day early than Mr. A, but why am I not able to match the same figures as Mr. A? So on day 7, he will ask Mr. A, I am coming early in the morning. He will say to him, I am coming early in the morning before you come. I'll come in the morning at 7 and try to go back by evening after 6 or 7. But still, you tell me, how is that you're able to cut number of trees, these many number of trees, but why am I not able to? Still, I don't take any break. I put lot of effort, but still, why I'm not able to cut as many trees as you can? So Mr. A asked him only one question. When did you finally sharpen your axe? So Mr. B says, the very first day when I came to the forest, so that was the day I sharpened my axe. So Mr. A says, but in my case, before every day when I come to forest, so every day in the morning I sharpen my axe and come to forest. That is why I am able to cut trees faster, and the number of trees cut down by me is more than you. So here we can say that Mr. A sharpens his axe in the morning every day before he comes to the forest, whereas Mr. B, he sharpened his axe the very first day only. So he's using the same axe, that is the blunt axe, which has become blunt now. So the moral of the story is hard work is important, but at the same time smart work is important, isn't it? So Mr. B is putting more of hard work. Here he has put a lot of hard work. Like he skips his food. He skips his break of taking rest. He comes in the morning. He devotes more of time than Mr. A. He comes early in the morning 2 hours before, and he goes 1 hour or 2 hours late after Mr. B leaves. But still, he is not able to cut as many trees as Mr. A. But so in case of Mr. B, he is giving only his hard work, but he is not working smartly. Whereas Mr. A, he sharpens his axe every day before he comes to the forest. That is what is smart work. Of course, Mr. A is doing hard work, but he is doing smart work here. He sharpens his axe every day in the morning. So this is what is the moral of the story. Hard work is important because we need to whatever we want to do, any job we are focusing on, any job we need a hard work, but at the same time we need even smart work. Only hard work alone is not enough. So here the moral of the story is, when somebody is trying to sharpen your axe, so please get sharpened. That means when somebody is trying to give you advice, they are just trying to sharpen your axe. Whatever job has to be done by you, not by anyone else. So they are just, when you're doing something wrong, they just try to advise you by sharpening your axe, so that you have to sharpen your axe and you have to do your job. So we all know advice is free of cost. So nobody wants to take advice in today's world. Of course, even me too. All of us do not want to take advice, because advice is free of cost. If advice was really expensive and if it was really not affordable, then we would have known the real value of advice anybody gives. So when a person gives advice, he is trying to sharpen your axe. So it is time now for you to sharpen your axe. When a person is trying to advise you, you have to take his advice, and when a person is trying to sharpen your axe, get it sharpened and work on it. At the same time, you need to have a smart work. So advice is something, a piece of advice given by a person is something which is free of cost, so we do not know the value of it. So I hope you have understood by now what I am trying to convey to you all. When a person about this story is, hard work is important, but at the same time smart work too. But you have to sharpen your axe. When somebody is helping you, please do take their advice and sharpen your axe, so that you will reach your goal at the earliest. So I hope you enjoyed hearing to this story today, and you will try to imply this in your life. Let's meet up in my next video, and please do share and subscribe to my channel if you have liked this video. Let's meet up in my next video. Till then, bye.